Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss some questions related to chemistry. And the first question is this: write the formula of these minerals. The first one is galena, and its formula is PbS, that is lead sulfide. Second is cassiterite, and its formula is SnO2, that is stannic oxide. Third is dolomite, and its formula is CaCO3, that is calcium carbonate. Fourth mineral is magnesite, and its formula is MgCO3, that is magnesium carbonate. Okay, now the second question is write balanced chemical equations for the following. The first one is excess of water reacts with magnesium nitride. So the reaction is Mg3N2 plus 6H2O arrowhead 3Mg OH2 plus 2NH3, where you find MgOH2 is a precipitate. So it settles down, that is magnesium hydroxide is a precipitate, it settles down, and 2 molecules of ammonia, it is a gas which escapes out. Second is excess of water reacts with calcium hydride. So the reaction is CaH2 plus 2H2O, that is 2 molecules of water, and it forms calcium hydroxide, which is a precipitate, and H2 gas, it liberates. Third is excess of water reacts with aluminium carbide. So the formula for aluminium carbide is Al4C3 plus 12 molecules of water, and it gives us 4 molecules of aluminum hydroxide, which is a precipitate, and that's why downward arrow mark is given here, and plus 3 molecules of ammonia gas, it escapes. Fourth is excess of chlorine reacts with methane. So the reaction is CH4 plus 4Cl2 arrowhead CCl4, that is carbon tetrachloride, plus 4HCl, that is 4 molecules of hydrogen chloride. Here we find methane is an alkane which is a saturated hydrocarbon, and we know that saturated hydrocarbon undergoes substitution reaction. So hydrogen of methane is replaced by chlorine and forms carbon tetrachloride CCl4. So we have to keep in mind all the alkanes which have single bond. We have to keep in mind that in alkanes, single bond is only present between carbon and hydrogen, and so it goes under substitution reaction. Okay. Now fifth is excess of chlorine reacts with acetylene. Okay, and acetylene formula, you know, C2H2. That means between carbon and hydrogen there is so here you find it is an alkyne, and it is acetylene, there is triple bond, so it is an alkyne, so CS, triple bond CS, this triple bond is between carbon and carbon, plus 2Cl2, and it gives us CaCl2 CaCl2, that is acetylene tetrachloride. So here we find that acetylene is an alkyne which is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Yes, that means all those hydrocarbons which have double bond or triple bond between carbon atoms, they are unsaturated. And, and we know that unsaturated hydrocarbon undergoes addition reaction. So C2H2, that is acetylene, forms acetylene tetrachloride by reacting with 2 molecules of chlorine. So there is addition of 2 molecules of chlorine with acetylene and it forms acetylene tetrachloride. Now, sixth reaction is excess of chlorine reacts with tin. So the reaction is Sn plus 2Cl2 arrowhead SnCl4, that is stannic chloride. Here Sn stands for tin and its Latin name is stannum. So from stannum Sn has been derived because in tin there is no Sn. There is no S. Okay. Now third question is state the components of the following. The first one is oleum, which has sulfuric acid and sulfur trioxide, that is SO3. Second is brass, and its components are copper and zinc. Third is aqua regia, and its component is nitric acid plus hydrochloric acid, that is Ca. Fourth is water gas, and its components are carbon monoxide plus hydrogen gas. Both are gases. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.